Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix customer feedback collection with SurveyMonkey, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the SurveyMonkey website. Create a free account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Survey button. You will be prompted to choose from a variety of templates. Select a template that best suits your feedback needs. If you prefer, you can start from scratch by choosing Blank Survey. Once you have your template, customize the title of your survey. Next, add questions based on the feedback you want to collect. SurveyMonkey offers various question types like multiple choice, open-ended, and rating scales. Be mindful to keep your questions clear and concise. Consider including a mix of quantitative and qualitative questions. After adding all your questions, configure the survey settings. Decide whether you want anonymous responses or link them to identifiers. Choose whether to collect emails for follow-ups if necessary. Preview your survey to see how it looks from a respondent's perspective. Make any necessary adjustments to questions or design elements. Once satisfied, click on the Collect Responses tab. Choose your preferred collection method. You can share via email, social media, or a direct link. If using email, input the addresses of your target respondents. For social media, select the platform and customize your message. Once sent, monitor the responses in real time from the dashboard. Review the feedback as it comes in. Analyze the data using SurveyMonkey's built-in analytics tools. Look for trends and insights that can inform your business decisions. Finally, export the data if you need to present it outside the platform. Regularly review and improve your survey process based on the feedback received. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.